colleagues on the high table, Madam Jallo and Dabo, and of course the big lecturer, and of course my lecturer as well. In the opening, I said to you guys that in our master's program, he took us communication and writing skill. And I must say, we were more than impressed than what you guys had. It was really, 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 really good. It was productive, and definitely all of us learned. We went through the same thing. The only difference is probably the focus is on Excel, but the quality of what he gave us, I want to believe he did exactly the same. So to management, we want to thank management. And then we want to especially thank the Office of the Director of Admin and HR. The fact that they see this gap and come up with this initiative. I want to believe, if I'm not mistaken, if not the first of its kind, to have such a huge training of this capacity. I mean skill set on the job. Yes, in the past we had report writing, but it's not as this way, hands-on, on computer. I stand to be corrected, but as far as my memory serves me, this is the first of its kind. And to the participants, definitely for me, you guys are lucky. When we were growing up here, we did not have this chance. We all have to struggle in our own way. Go YouTube, learn Excel. Or see somebody somewhere, the person is so good, you go hide and said, let me know how you did this. But here you are. Management have provided an expert for you, the best in the industry, to come and give you the knowledge that you will be seated and have it. Then our expectation is, as management, for you all to go back to your respective departments and units and apply it. Don't apply it as if you are doing us a favor. Apply it as if we have invested in you. Now you are giving back. So in giving back, you give full. We don't want to see anybody give half. We have a lot of information. We have a lot of data. We work with a lot of things. But the fact that you guys now have the tool to make sense from those data, such as Excel, you will definitely help your management to know more, to have more. And that is your responsibility. So, like I said, when you go back, please put the knowledge into use. And don't ever think you're doing us a favor. We have invested in you, so we want you guys to apply it to the fullest. The fact that you guys have been here for the 5 days, you know each other's strengths right now. So if you happen to forget anything, you can reach out to your colleagues to explain further so that you learn together. And I must advise as well that YouTube is there for you if you really want to do more, if you want to know more, to actually step it up from this level. So on that note, I want to say thank you to management, more especially to Director of HR and Admin and HR department, and then to our lecturer, able lecturer, who obviously, he's my lecturer, not your lecturer, but my lecturer, who actually I believe gave you the best of what he offers in the market. The same as what he has given us in the master's program. So to the participants, like I said, it's an opportunity. The certificate is not only for the certificate, it's for the knowledge as well. So on that note, I'll cap it up here, and thank you.